Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to share my new Notion template specifically designed for YouTube content creators. Are you struggling to organize your videos? If so, this video is for you. Template overview. Let's start by exploring the components of the template. This template includes three main sections. Video timeline. Here, you can track all your videos before they go live, organize your scripts, set start times, and manage the status of each video. Income tracking chart. This section helps you see how much income you generate from each video, allowing you to evaluate your financial performance. Script organization. In this area, you can neatly organize titles and scripts for each video, making it easy to access when you need it. How this template helps content creators. Now, let's discuss how this template can make a difference in your workflow. By organizing your scripts and ensuring all necessary details are in place before publishing, you can reduce chaos and improve content quality. This will allow you to focus on creativity instead of getting lost in the details. How to use the template. To get started with the template, I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you download it, you can customize it to fit your specific needs, whether you're a beginner or a pro. This template will help you enhance your organization and boost your. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. Let me know in the comments how this template could improve your YouTube experience. Thanks for watching.